Alright guys, we got the car all ready to go drifting. So we got her packed up, we got her washed, and we got all of our gear ready to go. So we're just going out for a Friday night practice tonight. Let's go drifting. Camera shot.
Hey. Got him.
So Kevin's gonna drive my car because he went out for one lap and blew his transmission. So we're gonna let him drive my car for a few laps. See how he likes the old Beamers. Kevin's buying a Beamer now, so if anyone wants to buy an RB Corolla for sale, he's got a bad transmission. Over my dead body. Shredding the gnar. No. It's getting crazy now. Yeah.
Well, we made it home safe and sound after a really great night of drifting. Had a lot of fun out there. Didn't even go through one set of brand new tires, which is really nice. Got a little bit left to use for the next practice. It was like a short practice. It was only maybe 4 hours, but got quite a few laps in there. Got some good driving, some good tandems. Big shout out to Jesse for doing some filming for me. But I think that is going to be all for today's video. If you liked the video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And that's going to be it. We'll catch you next time.